Login failed on NZX Mobile Fix. You open the NZX Mobile app to check the New Zealand markets, but instead of real-time data, you see login failed. It's annoying, but you'll be surprised how often this problem comes down to a few simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, NZX Mobile needs a stable network to verify your credentials. Try switching networks or turning airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Next, make sure the app is up to date. Outdated versions can cause login errors when NZX updates its servers or adds new security layers. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search NZX Mobile, and hit Update. Then, re-enter your login details manually. Avoid using autofills. Sometimes safe passwords or old credentials can cause mismatches. If you recently changed your password on the web version, make sure you're using the latest one in the app. If you're still having trouble, try clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, and NZX Mobile Storage Clear Cache. For iPhone users, simply uninstall and reinstall the app to start fresh. Sometimes the issue isn't you, it's the server. NZX might be performing maintenance or dealing with temporary outages. Wait a few minutes and try again later. Another hidden cause is a FIN or proxy usage. If you're using one, disable it temporarily. NZX may block logins from certain apps for security purposes. If none of these work, tap Forgot Password and reset your login credentials. It only takes a minute and often solves persistent login loops. So the next time your NZX mobile app says login failed, don't worry. Check your network, update the app, clear your cache, and re-enter your credentials carefully. With just a few steps, you'll be back tracking your favorite stocks, market trends, and news in no time.